Hapadeng gejengkela ke Sorkar pak gejeng suk shengan hagari Bangladesh. Ke Sorkar jela Meghalaya pak gejeng lam sembut Menteri Rangba wa Prestone Tynsong kelashimik senjam ban Pynkhlaiñ garu komyada ke jaka Khappud. Habakiran begla patai kubor ke arpenyu trik kula lengkod uba Prestone Tynsong uloong maka Sorkar kelarai ban Pynkhlaiñ yaki Village Defense Party VDP. Habarok kithan ke badan ke jaka Khappud bat kari Bangladesh bat kiwig jela. Hakaba ke Sorkar kan ai ye kijing hikai ke bekerpang bagi jingdan kam maneda na kijing manrung bian ke beriu bana bari. Ula benrap bagi tain Khappud kumba kalong mentai kilong basengan kumba kijing trailang pedang spai BSF bat ki pulet ke jela bat kilong bapet ngor maneda na kijing kijing ma. Uba Prestone Tynsong ula yetho ula bata ki bor knya distrik banlong ki berpikir bat pet ngor bha habarok ki por. Da ke bakdau ru bawat la ka kamera Khappud ke kam ke Sorkar pedang hendrai ke Sorkar jela kam syam lakan randian bat kan syam ki senjam ban pet ngor yagila jingada.
No action, it is ongoing process. You know well that any illegal immigrant coming to India from different parts of our country. So the act is there, the law is there, the enforcers are there. So we take action accordingly as per the provision of the law. So that's what we are doing even till today. See, if you talk about the illegal immigration, this is the national subject. In fact, it's not a state subject. But let me tell you one thing. As far as this situation that we have in Bangladesh, now we have decided from the state government that we will also reactivate the function of the VDP in all the international border as well as the interstate border. And not necessarily arms, but we will do further training. We will have some kind of training, and then we will see also what are the basic requirements needed to be done, so that we are in the process of completing this whole issue. Then we will give some more, as I said to you, some more some more training to the VDPs so that they can also handle this issue. No, right now we are safe. I'm not saying that we are not safe. We are safe because, see, jointly, be it from the PSF side, be it from the police, state police side, we are fully alerted, and we have already directed even the district administration of all the districts in the state that they should be always alert whenever information is informed. Then action is taken.